Alright, so welcome to Pbteck, and in this video I'm going to show how you can actually scan your Dstv Explora Decoder if you are living in Ghana. Alright, so whenever you switch on your decoder for the first time, this will be the first page on it, so you have to scan it to actually get the channels and then activate if you have not yet activated. So you have the language option. You have to select your preferred language. We have English and Portuguese. You're gonna go in with English. You press OK on it, and when you come here, this is the slide page. So with the slide, you need to select the E36B. Alright, E36B, and you press OK on it. When you come here, you need to select the manual setup and you press OK on it. And here, this is the LMB type. Since the unique cable decoder or the Explora decoder, you have to install it with a unique cable LMB, so you have to select the unique cable TM/SAT-CR. You don't have to change it. Alright, and the user band figures, you have to leave it as it is. These are the default figures, so you have to leave it. It's not an extra view installation, so you have to leave it as it is. And on the right side of the page, you have to make sure that those signal bar over there, the status, have to show. Those blue indicator over there have to show, actually indicating that there is a signal from the satellite dish or the signal cable. Alright, so if nothing shows, you have to check your satellite dish to get a stable signal. And you come down to highlight the scan option right here, and you press OK on it to proceed. So after pressing OK on it and it's unable to scan, you have to know that the signal is not enough to proceed with the scanning. So you have to check the satellite dish to adjust it to get enough of the signal quality before you can proceed. So after scanning and it's a newly decoder with no activation, you have to call the Dstv office and you provide them with your details and the details of the decoder. That's the IUC number or the smart card number, and they're going to do the necessary activation right there for you. Alright, so if today happens to be that it's your first time being on this channel, all you got to do is subscribe and hit the bell icon. You lose absolutely nothing by subscribing. Thanks for watching.